Alright, so what we've done on the previous tutorial is we integrated our front-end template with the database and started displaying the posts from the database. But we're displaying dummy data for now. As you can see, this data is added manually for now. So if I add a new data here, test, now the front end should be updated accordingly, the front end page. So expecting now one new post. Right, all right. So I've got the test post that we just added. But what we want to do is we don't want to keep on adding posts manually. We want to have an admin panel and add the posts through the admin panel. All right. So for that, we're gonna need to create a folder in the root directory of our project, and let's name it admin. Yeah, let's just name it admin. So this is gonna host all the admin files. So it's gonna host the file for adding posts and updating posts. All right, so we're gonna get the file from the template. Let me just use the word template instead of file. So we're gonna get the template from the template that we just downloaded, that we downloaded previously. All right. So I want to go to our project folder, the project template. And inside the project template, I want to go to the posts folder and copy the add.html file. So we want to copy that to our project. Right, and the project we're working on is my blog, and inside the admin folder I want to have another folder and name it posts, and that is where we're gonna paste the add.html file. All right. For now, it's just static content again. If we go to our project and go /admin/posts dot add, right? So this is what the page looks like. Now, what we want to do is want to integrate this page with a PHP controller that will be responsible for pulling the data from this page and actually inserting the data to the database. All right, the post data to the database. All right, so let me just leave it there for this tutorial. I'll see you on the next one.